Entrepreneurship YouTube Ideas Part-2. Spotlight on success, business summaries, local heroes, and regulatory guidance. Weekly News Roundup. Provide a weekly summary of important news and developments in the world of entrepreneurship, technology, and business, keeping your audience informed and up to date. Day in the life of an entrepreneur. Vlog your daily routines and activities as an entrepreneur, offering a behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to run a business. Networking strategies. Share tips and techniques for effective networking, both online and offline, including how to build meaningful relationships and leverage your network for business growth. DIY branding and design. Offer tutorials on creating your own branding materials, such as logos, websites, and marketing collateral, using accessible tools and software. Customer acquisition strategies. Discuss various strategies for acquiring and retaining customers, including lead generation, customer journeys, and retention tactics. Scaling your business. Provide guidance on how to scale a business, including strategies for managing growth, expanding operations, and entering new markets. Financial literacy for entrepreneurs. Create content focused on financial management, covering topics like budgeting, financial forecasting, understanding financial statements, and managing cash flow. Content creation tips. Teach entrepreneurs how to create compelling content for their businesses, including blog posts, videos, podcasts, and social media updates. Crisis management. Share advice on how to handle crises and setbacks in business, including strategies for effective communication, problem solving, and resilience. Entrepreneurship. Explore the concept of entrepreneurship, where employees act like entrepreneurs within a larger company, and discuss how to foster an entrepreneurial culture. International business expansion. Offer insights on expanding a business internationally, including tips on navigating cultural differences, legal requirements, and market entry strategies. Crowdsourced content. Invite your audience to submit their entrepreneurial questions, ideas, and challenges, and create videos addressing these topics, fostering a sense of community and engagement. Success metrics. Discuss key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics that entrepreneurs should track to measure the success and growth of their businesses. Eco-friendly business practices. Share tips on how to incorporate sustainable and eco-friendly practices into business operations, from sourcing materials to reducing waste. Innovative business ideas. Highlight and analyze innovative business ideas and trends, inspiring viewers with creative and forward-thinking concepts. Freelancer to entrepreneur. Offer advice for freelancers looking to transition into entrepreneurship, including steps for building a business, acquiring clients, and managing projects. Influencer marketing. Discuss the benefits and strategies of influencer marketing for businesses, including how to identify and collaborate with influencers in your niche. Building a strong company culture. Share tips on creating and maintaining a positive and productive company culture, including hiring practices, team building activities, and leadership styles. Pitch deck development. Teach viewers how to create effective pitch decks for investors, covering the key components and presentation tips. Regulatory changes and compliance. Keep your audience informed about important regulatory changes and compliance requirements that may impact their businesses. Side hustle success stories. Feature stories of individuals who have successfully turned their side hustles into full-time businesses, providing inspiration and practical advice. Tech trends for entrepreneurs. Discuss emerging technology trends and their potential impact on various industries, helping entrepreneurs stay ahead of the curve. Peer mentorship. Explore the benefits of peer mentorship and mastermind groups, and offer advice on how to find or create these support networks. Event planning for entrepreneurs. Provide tips on organizing successful business events, from networking meetups to large conferences, including planning, promotion, and execution. Retirement planning for entrepreneurs. Offer guidance on planning for retirement as an entrepreneur, including investment strategies, retirement accounts, and succession planning. Tax tips for entrepreneurs. Provide essential tax tips, including deductions, credits, and tax planning strategies tailored for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Effective sales techniques. Share techniques and strategies for improving sales performance, closing deals, and building long-term customer relationships. Product development journey. Document the journey of developing a new product, from ideation to launch, showcasing the entire process and lessons learned. Health and wellness for entrepreneurs. Discuss the importance of maintaining physical and mental health as an entrepreneur, including exercise routines, meditation, and work-life balance tips. Business etiquette. Offer advice on professional etiquette in various business settings, including meetings, networking events, and international business dealings. Building a digital presence. Teach entrepreneurs how to build and optimize their online presence through websites, social media, and online directories. Customer feedback and improvement. Highlight the importance of customer feedback and how to gather, analyze, and implement it to improve products and services. Licensing and franchising. Explain the processes and benefits of licensing and franchising as business growth strategies, including legal and operational considerations. Behind-the-scenes tours. Provide behind-the-scenes tours of your own business operations or those of other successful entrepreneurs, giving viewers an insider look at day-to-day activities. Seasonal business strategies. Share strategies for leveraging seasonal trends and events to boost sales and engagement, such as holiday promotions and summer marketing campaigns. Building a remote team. Offer guidance on recruiting, managing, and scaling a remote team, including tools and best practices for effective remote work. Innovative funding methods. Explore alternative funding methods for startups, such as angel investors, venture debt, and revenue-based financing. Gamification in business. Discuss how gamification can be used to enhance customer engagement, employee productivity, and overall business performance. Techniques for creative problem solving. Provide techniques and exercises for creative problem solving and innovation in business, such as brainstorming and design thinking. Embracing failure. Share stories and insights on the value of failure in entrepreneurship, emphasizing how to learn and grow from setbacks. Intellectual property basics. Explain the basics of intellectual property (IP) protection, including patents, trademarks, and copyrights, and their importance for businesses. Building a social enterprise. Discuss the principles and benefits of social entrepreneurship, including how to create a business that balances profit and social impact. Virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) for business. Explore the potential applications of VR and AR in various industries and how entrepreneurs can leverage these technologies. Personal development books for entrepreneurs. Recommend and review books focused on personal development, leadership, and business skills that are valuable for entrepreneurs. Adapting to market changes. Share strategies for adapting to market changes and economic shifts, helping entrepreneurs stay resilient and agile. Influential entrepreneur profiles. Highlight profiles of influential entrepreneurs from different industries and time periods, discussing their contributions and legacies. Utilizing data analytics. Explain how entrepreneurs can use data analytics to drive business decisions, optimize operations, and enhance customer experiences. Effective team communication. Offer tips for improving team communication, collaboration, and conflict resolution within entrepreneurial teams. Mentorship and coaching. Discuss the benefits of having mentors and coaches, how to find the right ones, and how to maximize these relationships. E-commerce strategies. Provide insights and tips for building and growing a successful e-commerce business, including platform selection, marketing, and customer service. Event recaps and highlights. Attend and recap important industry events, conferences, and workshops, sharing key takeaways and highlights with your audience. Virtual networking tips. Offer strategies for effective virtual networking, including how to leverage platforms like LinkedIn and virtual networking events. Building business resilience. Shares strategies for building a resilient business that can withstand economic downturns, market changes, and other challenges. Success habits of entrepreneurs. Highlight the daily habits and routines of successful entrepreneurs, providing actionable tips for viewers to incorporate into their own lives. AI and automation in business. Discuss the impact of artificial intelligence and automation on various industries and how entrepreneurs can utilize these technologies to improve efficiency and innovation. Entrepreneurship YouTube Ideas Part 3. To be continued.